Stop wasting time. Trying to start your German career feels like walking through quicksand, right? Too many forms, too much stress. No welcome. You're ready for a German career change, and I'm cutting out all that confusing, non-expert advice right now. Watch this, and you'll have the exact plan to unlock your Ausbildung in Germany dream in the next 60 seconds. I'm here to tell you to stop clicking search on those endless forum threads. Because today, right now, we're cutting through the noise with the only 4-pillar framework you need to claim one of those 2026 guaranteed admission spots. The promise is real. Free education and settle in Europe. Why should you trust me for a few-minute deep dive? Because I am backed by a peer-certified and Australia-based company. This isn't a theory. We've got the expertise, the experience, and the real-world results that turn that painful application process into a clinical, 3-step action plan. Here's our roadmap for the next few minutes. We're breaking down the 4 absolute non-negotiables. Pillar 1, the perfect career match for foreigners. Pillar 2, document mastery, your CV and visa secrets. Pillar 3, the language advantage. And Pillar 4, making Germany your permanent home. If you're serious about getting your Ausbildung in Germany and turning your life around in the next 12 months, stay locked in. This is the ultimate credentialed guide. Let's start with the biggest mistake people make: choosing the wrong career. Pillar 1, targeted career match. Welcome to Pillar 1, targeted career match. The market is flooded with generic advice, but you need laser focus. The biggest secret for success in Ausbildung in Germany for foreigners is ignoring high competition fields and looking at regional demand. If you're searching for Ausbildung in Germany from Bangladesh or are engaging in the Ausbildung in Germany Malayalam communities, you know the competition for IT and nursing is fierce. The smart move is to look at dual study programs in specific high-demand areas like logistics, geriatric care in smaller towns, or specialized manufacturing. How to apply for Ausbildung in Germany. It starts with the right job. Stop asking, "Can I get accepted?" and start asking, "Which employer needs my specific skill?" Use the official German job agency websites, but filter by immediate start and international applicants welcome. This instantly cuts 90% of your wasted effort. Remember, an Ausbildung is a paid apprenticeship. The company is investing in you. They are looking for reliability, not just high marks. This is why addressing your application to the right employer in the right sector is non-negotiable. Quick fire action. Spend the next 24 hours researching 3 non-obvious career paths. Not just IT. Think plumbing, bakeries, or specialized technical drawing. This is your first step to guaranteed admission. Pillar 2, document mastery and visa secrets. This is the bottleneck for every non-EU student. Getting your Ausbildung visa for Bangladeshi or Pakistani students isn't about luck. It's about preparation and presentation. The most common reason for rejection: incomplete or improperly translated documents. Your CV must be in the German format, the Lebenslauf, and your educational certificates must be officially verified and translated by a certified authority. Do not skimp on this step. The Ausbildung process in Germany requires a meticulous approach to the visa application. I'm talking about the blocked account evidence. You must prove you have enough money to cover your first year's living expenses until your salary starts. Get this sorted before you even start applying to companies. Now for the advanced tip. Use your cover letter to explain how your previous educational background, for example, your high school diploma from your home country, is relevant to the specific dual study program in Germany you're applying for. Link your history to their future needs. The bottom line for Pillar 2, treat your document submission like a job interview. It needs to be flawless, consistent, and speak directly to German efficiency. Flawless documents drastically reduce the time it takes to get your acceptance letter. Pillar 3, language and cultural advantage. Yes, you can find options for Ausbildung in Germany in English, but let's be realistic. The majority of companies, especially those outside of major cities, require German. But here is the critical distinction. A 2 vs B1 and a 2 certificate is a basic start. A B1 certificate is your golden ticket. B1 proves you can function in daily life, interact with colleagues, and understand basic instructions. If you show up with a B1 certificate, The employer sees a motivated, well-prepared applicant who is serious about integrating. Let's talk about cultural preparation. Germany values punctuality and directness. When you email a company, be formal, be clear, and be concise. Do not use informal language or overly emotional appeals. They want a professional, reliable apprentice. This is a business decision for them. Even for technical jobs, the theory part of your Ausbildung process in Germany will be in German. Don't set yourself up for failure by hoping you can get by with just English. The language effort shows commitment to the whole package: the job, the education, and the country. If you've only been searching for Ausbildung in Germany in English, expand your search by one level. Commit to B1. You'll unlock 5 times the opportunities and drastically improve your chances of success. Pillar 4. Financial security and settlement. This pillar secures your future and is all about your long-term success after you get the letter of acceptance. Let's tackle Ausbildung in Germany expenses. While the education is free and you get a salary, you have initial setup costs. We already talked about the blocked account, but you must budget for flight costs, initial rent deposits, and insurance. The average initial setup cost is higher than most people budget for. Be prepared. Your Ausbildung salary starts small, but it increases every year. The key is knowing that successful completion of an Ausbildung immediately opens the door to permanent residence. The 2 years you spend as an apprentice count toward the time needed for settlement and citizenship. The Ausbildung in Germany experience is your gateway to a stable, highly paid European career. This isn't just a temporary study visa. This is a path to settle in Germany. Plan for the next 5 years, not just the next 5 months. This is a life decision. Wrap up time. We just covered the 4 pillars that eliminate the confusion and give you the competitive edge for your Ausbildung in Germany 2026 application. If you follow this framework, your chances of a successful application are in the 90+ range. You have the knowledge. Now you need the tool. Before you go, you need this one tool, the 7-day quick start fix. It's a free, comprehensive checklist that walks you through pillar 1 and 2 in step-by-step detail. It ensures your documents are perfect and your career match is optimal. Don't let this be another video you just watched. Take action. Like this video, subscribe for more expert-led deep dives, and most importantly, click the link below to get your 7-day quick start fix and start your application today. I'll see you in the next one, where we break down the most common application mistakes and how to guarantee your job interview. Good luck!